Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Friday. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is from. Well, we have pre-stamped cross stitch. Get it out of its bag. So we have two of them, if I can get a hold of it. This is from PaintSomeWay. And let me get the first one out of its bag. Put that up there and flip it over. I'll have to get the page undone. This is a 50 by 73. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all that purple. Oh my goodness. I had at one time, I don't know that I still do or don't have, but I had this as a diamond painting and I don't believe I ever did it. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see this in cross stitch. It's been a few years. It has 43 colors. Very nice picture. The product number, how big it is, it's 191 by 291. Does have the instruction page over here attached to the paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. 43 colors. Looks like we have no 310s. We have lots of shades of lavender and purple. We have, of course, have 550 purple. We have 823, 820, and 939. There's no 3371. And it does have some 3865. Very nice paper pattern, very big, very easy to see. It looks like we have rivers of color. And we have a little bit of confetti just tossed here and there around the edges. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this all turns out. And the diamond painting wasn't very big, as I remember. It was probably 40 by 50 maybe. So it wasn't too big. Let's take a look at the colors. And it does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And we have the plum blossom or cherry blossom. And let's take a look. Got a piece of fuzz on my hand. Let's get the scissors out of the way. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let me get rid of that bag for right this second. It has a few extra skeins of thread. Holy cow. So we have $7.97. $7.97 again. Let me see if we can get them all together here. Nope, this is $7.98. Maybe this is $7.97. This is $7.96. I'll lay them all right here. We have $7.91. $7.91, $8.20. You have 2 of those, and we have $8.23, $8.23, and 1 of, so 2 of $8.23 and 1 of $9.39, and we have 1 of $5.50 purple. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 skeins of thread. Extra thread. Holy cow, that is a glob of thread. Let's take a look at the rest of the colors, huh? I can't believe it's got that many colors in it, so maybe it'll be very distinct. All right. So you have some plums, kind of a rustish red. Got blues. There's your 3865. Beautiful blues. And then this one is just outstanding. More purples, blues. You have the skin tones for her face and maybe her arm or something. Just very beautiful. Look at that. It's like jelly bean purple. Oh, goodness. And more purples and blues. So lots of variation in shades. Just absolutely awesome. Now let's see if I can get this all rolled up together. I may have to put it back in its whole bag. But for right now, we're just going to flip it like that. Alright, let's take a look at the canvas. From what I can see, it is serged all the way around. Very big canvas. Very nicely printed. See, there's some confetti here, maybe around here. But in between that, you have some nice big areas of shading. And it's all in blues and purples. Oh, just love that. And the serging does not come down through the numbers, so that's very nice, very easy to read. Let me fold it that way. Very nice and easy to see symbols. That's what I love about 11 count. There's no guessing. This is the end of it, the bottom of it, I should say. Let me see if I can do it this way and see how big it is. This way, it is 50.5 this way, and this way times 2, so it's about 30 inches, which is about 70-ish, 74, 75, because I can't lay it out on my desk, so I have no idea. This way it's 17, about 17.25 or 43.5 that way. And let me see, so 13, so it's 26 inches ish, maybe 27 by, or 60, I'll say 63, 64 centimeters that away. So yeah, it's fair good size, and there are some big hunkin' areas of this. So yeah, now this one was $14.99. So it's a nice big canvas, very well printed. So if you're sitting in front of TV, you can just whip out all that green if you wanted to. There is plenty of thread to go with this one. My goodness gracious. That will be a hot, hot moment. And you can spread out the confetti. Like if you want to do a little confetti and then you do a bigger part. And, you know, just keep swapping off so you don't have to do totally everything in confetti. Some days that confetti just sends me over the edge. So, out of its bag. That up there. Flip it over. Let's see the next one. This one was $8.99. It is a 40 by 50. You know that's a good size for me. Paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas for symbols. Product number, how big it is. It's 148 by 91. 191. Hello. It also has the instructions on this paper too. Very nice, very big, easy to see, and it has 43 colors in it as well. Let's see, take a look here. No 310 in this one either. It's mainly pinks, purples, and blues, maybe a little bit of greens. It does have the color scheme going down the side, and it has 550 purple, and 603, 604, 605 in pink. So nicely shaded. No 939. It does have some 3865. But yeah, I just loved this picture. It just looks like a watercolor picture, so hopefully it'll turn out as softly as that. It's just, I just love the colors. They just, this would be great on black. But no, I'm not going there with black, honest to God, I promise. Not this week, but it would make all those pinks pop. Be a totally different picture, wouldn't it? Okay, so we do have a toolkit with puppy dogs, which you can't hardly see. I will kind of bend it, but trust me, there's dogs there. And even turn the other way. They're barely there. 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Love those. They're very nice. Let's take a look at the threads. It does have a sticker with the product numbers right here on it, matching the canvas and the paper pattern. Very pretty colors. So we have 2 hanks of probably 3/865, 3/865 for your background. And I like this. This is not very big. It's not huge. But yeah, I like that 40 by 50 size. You know, if they can get the picture right, yeah, I'll go with it. But hang on, I'm trying. Everybody's been mooshed together for a while. So here's the first one. It's got pinks and kind of a salmon color, kind of a bluish gray, some blue tones. Let me get it undone. We got lots of pinks. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning colors. Then on this side you have more purples and a couple more grays. I mean grays. Blues. If I could just talk, we'd have it made today, huh? And some off-whitish color, maybe a pale green. Not see, well, there is a darker green here. And maybe a darker green here, but I don't see anything terribly dark green. So mostly, you know, that muted, you know, pinks, purples, greens. I think it'll be beautiful, but look at all those colors together. Oh, can you ever? Looks like cotton candy. Oh, whoa. Get back in there. Can't afford to lose you right now. Okay, let's take a look. Whoops. Hold that thought. We're gonna try keep the pile from coming undone. And this has serging all the way around. But like I said, see, it's not very wide at all. And it does look like it's got some confetti in it. And it does have some of the rivers of color as well. I'll try to unfold it. We got a great big area here of number 43, which is that 3/865. But there are rivers of color. I'm going to hold this up so you can see it. And there's a little bit of sprinkled confetti here and there. So, very nice. Very nice indeed. Surged, and the serging goes just barely along the edge. But if you needed to see the DMC numbers, it's on your paper pattern, so you are good. Does show you the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Let's open this up and measure. So, I mean, it's lap size, you know, it's not heavy. It's very nice fabric. It's not too terribly stiff. Okay, it's like 19 3/4 or 50 1/2 that way. And it is 40 1/2 or 16 inches this way. Actual picture size is 13 1/2, almost. Pretty close to it. 13 1/2 or 34 1/2 centimeters by 44 centimeters or almost 17 1/2. It's like between 17 1/4 and 17 1/2 figured out. I don't know what that means, so 5/8, I got nothing. Math was not my strong suit. Just tell me what the tape measure kind of says. So, very nice, very well printed. I don't see any smears. You know, for under $10, I think it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful picture. I really do. And I like the size because when you sit, it doesn't make you hot, especially in the summer, because that just drives me nuts too. I can't work on my big ones unless I work at the table, and I can only work at this table for maybe an hour or two without my back going completely ballistic. So I rely on sitting in my stitchy place, you know. So, very nice. Very nice indeed. And that is all I got from PaintSomeWay. Now, I'm losing my voice, sorry. Talked too much this week at work. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They also have custom. I'm not sure which ones they have custom in. If they have any specials, I will put that in the description below. They usually have free shipping over $49. They have tools and crafts for diamond painting, cross-stitch, and paint by number. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And they always have a lot to choose from. I really like PaintSomeWay. And it usually takes me about 2 weeks to get something from them. And that is about what it takes if I order separately, because I have ordered personally from them. And they have great customer service. They're on it. So do check them out. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.